Tired of watching potential customers bail at checkout? Let's supercharge your WooCommerce store by integrating Apple Pay, giving your customers a smoother, faster, and more secure way to pay. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and hover over the Plugins option. Then, click on Add New. In the search bar, type Apple Pay Woocomerce. Locate the plugin, often called WooCommerce Apple Pay Payment Gateway, or similar, and click Install Now. Be sure to check the plugin's ratings and reviews to ensure it's a reputable choice. Once installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin. Now, navigate to WooCommerce, then Settings, and finally, click on the Payments tab. You should now see Apple Pay as an available payment method. Toggle the switch to enable it. Click on Manage to configure the Apple Pay settings here. You can customize the display name and description that customers see during checkout. You might also need to configure your merchant ID and domain verification. Depending on the specific plugin you're using, follow the plugin's documentation for detailed instructions on this process. And that's it. With Apple Pay integrated, your customers can now breeze through checkout with just a touch or a glance, leading to happier customers and more sales.